nothing to see.
That's because you're not looking. There's lots to see. Just not very far. Very thick fog, very humid. It's all wet. You can see the blue up above. It's not very thick, the cloud.
Special morning.
Hmm?
It's a special landscape for the morning.
Yeah, very special. It was actually very clear when the sun came up, and then it became all orange, and then a lot of fog, and now the sun is coming through the fog again. It's a really special morning, and it's nice to start a day like this, so we can brush your teeth, you can go to the toilet, you can, you know, dress a bit up for the day, and yeah, quite nice. But unfortunately the whole day will look like this and we go very slow. But yeah, it's a good place to be at the moment. The Mediterranean Sea.